Are there herbs that help support and nourish the nervous system or decrease stress? Well, yeah, there's a lot of nutrients that are directly sedatives, but there's one herb in particular which is really awesome that I love. It's called ashwagandha. Many of you might know about it. Ashwagandha is an Ayurvedic herb. It's also used in Chinese medicine that is really amazing for the nervous system. It's very calming on the one hand, but it's also extremely nourishing and strengthening for the nervous system. Ashwagandha is amazing. You can take it during the day and it'll just have a calming and strengthening effect. But if you take it at night, it helps you sleep. So many sedative herbs will, sometimes calm you down too much during the day. Someone takes too much GABA, too much valerian root, something like that. And oftentimes those are recommended just at night. But ashwagandha can be taken any time of the day, especially in the afternoon when people are kind of stressed out, they get tired and fatigued. It simultaneously gives strength and at the same time is calming and nourishing for the mind, for the nervous system. It's really quite an amazing herb, it really is. So that's my little Veda Wave tip for the day. And if you have any questions about that or comments, if any of you have used ashwagandha, if you have questions about how to use it, let me know. Have a great day. So how did you know?